welcome back, people. Today we are going to create these beautiful, colorful, modern folk art style birds. So let's get started. As you see, the basic shapes of the birds resembles the realistic birds, but I have added some fictitious, fictional elements to them in terms of their tails and wings. So you can play around with creativity. There's no set rule how the bird should look. And here I am going wet on dry with my watercolor. So I am coloring them in parts and letting those parts dry because I don't want color bleeds. So use your imagination and use whatever color you want to and add whatever element you want to and make these birds beautiful. Before I color the tail of this bird here, I make sure that the body has already dried so the colors don't bleed into each other. I'm coloring these birds in parts because I don't want the colors to blend in and give loose watercolor effect. That's why here I had an accident, so I just fixed it with my damp clean brush. I removed the red part, and once the yellow part dries, I will again touch up the red part so that I get the effect I wanted, yet I don't get the color bleeds. So I will continue coloring these birds and I'll color their base colors, fill in all the base colors and then let them dry, and after that I will decorate them with different colors. I did not want a paint spray over here. I picked it up by mistake. I thought it was dark blue, but it turned out to be Payne's gray. But now I'll have to manage with this only. So I am just making it a very light wash using a lot of water in here. I let that dry and continue with my other birds. In case you guys are curious, I am painting on regular sketchbook paper and I'm using my Camlin artist grade watercolor and my Princeton brush. So that's what it is. You can use any watercolor, just make sure it's artist grade and not like student grade, because the end result of student grade brushes, watercolors, is not very cool. It becomes powdery on drying and fades a lot, so the colors are not very vibrant and not very permanent either. So that's it, the base is colored and dried. Now I start with decorating these birds with simple patterns and doodles. As you see, I'm using dark colors for light background and light colors for dark background, and there is no set method for what patterns I'm using to decorate these birds. I'm just going with whatever is coming to my mind. Since it's watercolor and not gouache, I'm taking more of color and less of water in my brush. You can also use some markers or metallic markers or jelly roll for this step, or you can also use gouache for this step. If you are painting along with me, let me tell you that this video is sped up like 4 times. So don't get sad if you don't match up the speed, because this isn't my natural speed either. And if you really want to paint along, you can slow the video down. That's possible with YouTube now. I hope you know that. Now it's time to make the legs and the beaks if I have missed to paint any. As you see, some of the doodles have faded and they don't stand out on the base anymore. So I will fix them by using white jelly roll. You can also use white gouache or white acrylic color for that. As you see here, now the doodles are really standing out with little touch up of my white jelly roll. As you can see, this one over here with just some tiny dots, the tail will become much more beautiful than before. That's it for me. I'm really happy with the outcome. I hope you liked this video and were able to learn something today. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more modern folk art videos or whatever video you want to see. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.